Are you guys tired of your allergies getting the best of you? Well, check out this air purifier that I got sent to me for honest review. You guys, it comes fully assembled, and let's go ahead and unbox it. I'm loving that it's really no setup required. You take it straight out the box and you just plug it up. That's what I'm loving so far. So as you can see, it's really a large air purifier, and that's what I'm excited about because I have a 100-pound dog. The assembly is super simple. It's easy, convenient, and it's so sleek and functional. I'm loving the way it looks with my home, and I'm loving the way it sounds. You will be amazed at just how nice, sleek, and functional this bad boy is. As you will notice, it does come with your instructions. It also comes with the plug, right, that you see right here. And these are the actual instructions. Super easy to use. It's only about 4 steps. It goes through that right there. It also tells you about the tips, the tricks, and everything in between. I cannot wait to plug up this bad boy. It also comes with 2 extra filters.
This is Mitzi from the Mitzi Langley coming to you with an amazing review on this air purifier. This purifier is specifically for pets, and I cannot wait to share with you all about it. Just by looking at it, you can tell on just how large and how sophisticated it is. Number one thing I'm loving about it so far is that it's not too loud and it really, really works. I have a huge Doberman, and as we know, they have hair and they're 100-pound dogs, and I also have 2 toddlers, a mom of 2, and so I want to get into the benefits of why I love this product. Number one, when you first get it, it comes in a big box, it comes fully assembled, there's nothing to do. That's one thing I'm loving about it. First thing you want to make sure you do is you do have some instructions here. It goes through everything on how you should use it, and I'm going to go through that with you real quick. You take it out the box, and all you do is open up this front part here, okay? So when you open the front part, this is the actual filter. This filter does come with plastic on it. You want to make sure you take out the plastic, and when you take it out, you will notice that you have the actual filter here. This comes on and off, and it's super easy. As you can see, it says what's the front and what's the back. You see the fan here running. You simply place it back in. It's very easy, not intimidating, and you simply put it right back on.
Next, I'm going to go over the functions of the purifier. You do have a timer. What I love about this is that you can have a timer which will go on and off. You also have a sleep mode. This sleep mode will help you if you want to turn it on or off, and it will automatically release. You also have a sterilized section, which I love.
Your air purifier will come with 2 extra filters, which is what I'd recommend always having it. It does say to replace these every 3 to 6 months for best use. So this is why I love this product. Let's get into the review.